Alright, so I told you guys I would want you to share this with me so that I can see it, each of your files in Fusion 360. And so it's pretty simple to share it. All you need to do is you'll open up these little dots over here, go to your recent data, and whichever files. So if I need to see the case assembly, you would click on that, left click, right click, share public link. Alright. So you would then check mark this, copy it, and paste it in your assignment so that you can then share it with me. So just paste that link along with in your assignment so that I can see it. That is how you share these files with me so that I can see them. That's an easy way for you to do it. Alright, so that's it. So all you gotta do, left click, and it does need to be saved first because, like, see here, my drawing file is untitled, not over here at all. So I need to save this, then click on it once it's over here, right click, and share a public link. And then copy and paste. Alright, that's pretty much it. Alright. And yeah, that's all you gotta do. Alright, again, have a good one.